Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. Hope everyone's having a great morning. Dow futures are up about 60 points here. NASDAQ futures are up a little bit here, and S&P 500 is getting a little pop here as well. Let's get started today with the Bloomberg, the top 5 things to start your day with here. All right. First thing is worry reduction. So obviously markets have been climbing the past couple of days, and that's completely because of the Omicron variant has been completely unwound, as all signs continue to point to the variant being a mild type of variant, and most importantly, it's countered by existing vaccines. Okay, so China's pivot towards supporting the economy is seen as another boost to the global growth outlook as well. Next thing here is, it's kind of the money managers here, and you have Goldman Sachs coming out saying there's rough waters ahead here. They're keeping an eye on how the markets are going to react and digest the accelerated ended quantitative easing from the Federal Reserve. Billionaire money manager Jeffrey Gundlach says rough waters are ahead, and Goldman Sachs also warning that hawkish tilt from the Fed and Omicron restrictions will create trading challenges for December, with volatility likely to remain high. Not something I'm really too concerned about there as we're continuing to pick up. The next big thing that they're saying today is that crypto digital assets are the top contender for a major correction in 2022, according to a money manager survey done for Natixis investment managers. The survey comes out at the end of the year where institutional investors have started to embrace the asset class, particularly investing in Bitcoin. The flash crash in the largest cryptocurrency over the weekend will only have served to increase investor nerves there. So they're saying that crypto is going to be pulling back for 2022, and they're saying that so are stocks to move into bonds, high-yielding bonds. So that's what the money managers are saying there. Mixed markets here. With a few fresh catalysts this morning, global equity investors are taking a moment to catch their breath after yesterday's strong rally. Overnight, the MSCI Asia Pacific Index added 0.7%, while Japan's Topix Index closed 0.6% higher. Coming up, the Bank of Canada is expected to lay the groundwork for interest rate hikes this morning, while holding rates unchanged when the decision is announced at 10 a.m. So that's something we could be watching the financials for, going into 10, 11 o'clock. The central banks of Poland and Brazil are also due to announce their latest decisions today. U.S. job openings data for October is at 10 a.m., and crude oil inventories data is at 10:30 a.m. The U.S. sells $36 billion of 10-year notes at 1 p.m., and Brown-Forman Corp. And GameStop are among the companies reporting after the bell today. So let's take a look here at the top gainers and losers this morning in the pre-market hours here. Not really too much I'm seeing or interested in. I was looking through these this morning. Stanley Black & Decker, that one's getting a nice pop. Usually you don't see that one getting a move like it is this morning. That was really it there. And then if you see here pre-market movers, same thing. Energy Focus up about 50% here. Codetech, CTK up 25.21%. And that's really it as far as the gainers there. The losers, we have Stitch Fix down 25%. Something called Incise Biosciences down 25% at $2.37 a share. And that's really it there. Nothing major I'm seeing on the pre-market movers here. Wall Street Bets ticker sentiment. As you can see, the top 5 this morning, you can see the positive sentiment, the negative sentiment over the past 12 hours. We have Tesla, GameStop, Apple, Pfizer, and Chewy as the top 5 there on Wall Street Bets there. So that's going to do it for us today, guys. I'm looking here. Moderna got a nice pop this morning. We got a Moderna trade in the Trade Challenge account here yesterday before the market closed. And, that's up 5% now. We got a nice gain on that. And this morning when I woke up, I looked at my phone. I saw Moderna was down about $8 in pre-market. And the alarm went off. I hit snooze for about 15 minutes. I woke back up, and Moderna was in the green. She's up $3 right now, continuing to climb up about 1%. We're going to have some really nice gains in the Trade Challenge account to open the day with on our Moderna trade that we picked up yesterday for the January 21st, 2022 300 strike. So we should see a nice gain on that. We'll probably lock in some profits and we'll look for some day trades. Not expecting too much volatility in the market today since it is a decreased day as far as economic events are concerned. Tomorrow, 8:30 a.m., we have unemployment numbers, continued claims, and then Friday we have the inflation numbers. So Thursday, tomorrow, and Friday, I expect to be great days for some day trading. Today, it's going to be, I think we're going to be able to find a couple of good ones here. I'm seeing on the market movers list here that are still moving. Ford's getting a nice move. Oil stocks are still climbing. We have Hertz still up about 2% in the pre-market hours. So there's a few good stocks that I'm watching to eye up for some day trades this morning. So we'll see how that goes. And let's have a great morning here with our Moderna on the open. Take care, guys. Come join us. Go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us, sign up for our plan, and use promo code WINTER to save 35% off any one of our plans. They're a monthly or annual membership. And then once you join, make sure you check your email, your spam, or your inbox there for a welcome email. It's going to tell you how to get started, where to go to access our classes, and I'll see you guys in the trade room. Have a great day, and let's make some profitable trades today. Take care, guys. God bless, and have a great day.